How to change the keyboard on your Android phone. In this video, step by step tutorial, I will show you how you switch your current keyboard to different keyboard. So let's start it. First, you have to just open your mobile settings. Go to the mobile settings and open the mobile settings. After opening the mobile settings, scroll up and find just here. You have to just find general management. Click on the general management. So after clicking the general management, just you have to find the keyboard options, or another option is its keyboard list and default. Click on this here. So after clicking on this here, so now you can see here have the keyboards options. So you have to just click on the default keyboard. Now you can see choose input method. So you want to select any keyboard like G keyboard or Samsung keyboard, so you have to just select it here. So here have the options and you can select here easily which you want to select it. Okay, this is very easy step to you. I hope this video is very helpful to you. Subscribe to Jan1 Guide for more Android tips videos. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure tell me in the comment box which mobile are you using right now. Okay, thanks for watching the video.